Alright, gonna try to do my best to explain this. So this cylinder here is the cylinder that had all of the, or kind of what sounded like the knocking noise coming from it at about half the frequency of the engine speed. This cylinder was fine. I pulled the plugs today. Let's see if I can get the light to it. This plug here came from the affected cylinder, the cylinder with knocking. The clean plug came from the good cylinder. The other two plugs came from the other two good cylinders. So I pulled the head off after we didn't find anything in the overhead. Now what's interesting is this cylinder shows two scuffs on the thrust side and two scuffs on the anti-thrust side. Clean cylinder. Looks perfect. So, if we get this barred over and get those back up to TDC. Okay. Both are up at TDC. What I noticed with this one is you can actually rock the piston and the bore. So something's going on there. This one, none of the sort. Just a very small amount of play there, but nowhere near that. So looks like the bottom end's coming apart.